be right here and witness this. Don't touch my bag. I told you I was about that life. I'm trying to catch a flight. I'm trying to get to my destination. And I want this to go as peaceful. But if you don't want it to be peaceful, it can go either way, baby. I'm down for whatever. Little pretty boy. Hate I gotta act so silly. Oh, God. Sorry you had to witness that. I don't even know you, but I'm sorry in advance.
You're right. I'm wrong. You're right.
Don't touch my bag.
You're right.
I'm
Guys,
telling
come
you.
on, guys.
You're right.
Please, please.